Hey, y'all. So, let's put my new pegboard pieces together. If you do not have a drill, it is okay. This pegboard is no drill friendly. It's also renter friendly because you just put it together, stick it on the wall with the adhesive stickers. So, keep watching and see how I put this together. Okay, so right here I'm showing you it's like a little corner on each of the stickers where you will pull the backing off to make it much easier. So just wanted to show you guys that and keep watching. So here is the part where I totally messed up. I put them on upside downward. So I had to take them off the wall, unstick them, glad they wasn't stuck all the way, and reposition them. Pay attention to directions, people. Now, this is the position that they are supposed to be in, up and down. So definitely don't do what I did and stick them on incorrectly. These are some little holders that they came with, like 2 little trays. It also came with some other holders as well that, you can hang different things on. It's very versatile. These are the hooks that it came with. I think it was about 30 or 40 hooks that it came with. So I will definitely link this in the description below if you want to purchase. Thank you guys for watching.